Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, February 4th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to do a short video and talk to you once again about the compensation plan, simply because I think that there are a lot of people who come and they look at the LiveGood tour page and they automatically think that it's just another health and wellness product. I don't even think some of them watch the 5-minute video, which is fine because we don't want tire kickers. You know, we want people to pre-enroll who are actually interested in the opportunity. But I just want it to be clear about how awesome this compensation plan is. All right, I've had people message me telling me that it was garbage, that it wasn't going to be around for long, and all this negative stuff. And I just want to touch base, show you a couple things inside the compensation plan, and remind everyone that we are a family and live good, okay? So some people progress and find success quicker than others. Other people take a little bit longer, and then we have people that come in and sign up and don't do anything, and they're going to wait for their matrix to fill, which is 100% fine, okay? It's all, whatever, if you decide to join this and be a spillover creator, awesome. If it takes you a little while to create spillover, no problem. If you want to come in here and join and sit back and wait for 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years for your matrix to fill, that's awesome too. We're all in this together. We all have the same goals. We all want to make more money. We all want to get healthy. And we all want to promote this awesome company, okay? So with that said, I just want people to understand that this is the best compensation plan on the planet. All right, I've been doing network marketing. Well, I've been doing online marketing for 16 years, okay? Most of that has been affiliate marketing stuff, but I've been with a couple MLM companies in the past. And this is hands down the best compensation plan I've ever seen. All right, it's the fastest growing company I've ever seen. It's the quickest success I've ever had. With that being said, here is the compensation plan once again. It says, at LiveGood, your health and wellness will always be our number one focus. That's why we eliminate the middleman to make the highest quality products on the planet available to our customers and members for a fraction of the price of the competition. All right, that is why big brand companies, a lot of their stuff costs a fortune. All right, because they're putting out lots of money in advertising. When a company like LiveGood pays its members to do the advertising, you can cut out all the middlemen and everything like that and have cheaper products. Not in quality, but in price. And on top of the huge savings you get when you purchase any of our life-changing products, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. And if you decide to share our amazing products and compensation plan with others, you can earn even more. Now, just to be 100% clear, it's okay if you want to come in here and wait for your matrix to fill up. All right. Again, it might take 6 months, it might take a year, it might take 3 years. You know, there's no guarantee. All right. It's totally cool if you just want to be one of those people that come in and wait for the spillover. You don't have to sign up and, be a hustler. All right. Now, obviously, the hustlers do make the most money. Okay. But you can't come in here and expect that your matrix is going to be filled up overnight. All right. So if you're one of those people that just want to come in and earn the $2,047.50, that's fine. But just understand that it could take a little while for you to see that. But again, even if it took a year or 2 years, all right, say it took 2 years and you're paying the $10 monthly plan, is it worth the $240 that you'd pay out in order to receive $2,047.50 every single month? You see what I mean? It's a pretty good return on your investment, right? So you just have to have patience. If you want to come in here, have patience and do that, that's awesome. But if you are a go-getter and a hustler, or if you're interested in building a team, no matter how long it takes you to do, then these are the 6 ways that you can earn income with LiveGood. All right? Number 1 is the weekly fast start commissions. All right, so it says for each person who you refer to LiveGood who becomes a member and an affiliate for $49.95, we will reward you with a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10 levels deep. All right, it says weekly fast start commissions are paid out on the first month's membership and on the $40 affiliate sign-up fee. So you will receive $5 for any new members that you refer, plus $20 for any new affiliates you refer. Since many people join as both a member and an affiliate, you will receive both of those amounts for a total of $25 paid out the very next week. All right, so folks, you can come in here, and if you enroll one person, you're going to be unranked, okay? So you would earn 50% of whatever that one person is that you enrolled, all right? Now, if you don't come in here and enroll anybody, then you're not going to get any fast start commissions. But if you come in here, enroll one person, you're going to get 50%. Now, if you come in here and enroll two people, that's going to rank you up to bronze, where not only do you earn 50% on your two personal referrals, you'll earn 10% on anybody that those two referrals refer. If you're a silver, that means you have 10 personally enrolled people, and it opens up the third and fourth levels, all right? And this is where I am right now, the silver. So I earn 50% on every one of the 16 people that I personally refer right now. Then I earn 10% of everybody on my second level and 5% on everybody on my third and fourth levels. And I've done other weekly payment proof videos that you can go and check out, and you'll see how this all works. All right? If you become gold and refer 30 people, you're going to open up the fifth and sixth levels for another 5%. If you're a platinum and have 100 people personal referrals, you're going to open up the seventh and eighth levels for an additional 3%. And when you reach diamond, which is 2,500 total team members and 3 legs with 1 platinum on each of them, then you're going to open up the 9th and 10th level for an additional 2%. Okay, so these weekly fast start commissions can be huge if you're a big time marketer, all right, or if you hustle and go out there and get a lot of people. All right, so that's the weekly fast start commissions, and as you can see here, the more people you refer, the more money you're going to earn. It's as simple as that. All right, then we have the matrix commissions. When you lock in your position in LiveGood, you are given your own business center in our fast-filling 2x15 matrix. As more people join LiveGood every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there, following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. All right, so again, if you were to come in here and just, look at this as a long-term investment type strategy, you could come in here, not do anything, not refer anybody, and sit back and wait for your matrix to fill up. All right. Once your matrix fills up 12 levels deep, you would be earning $2,047.50. All right. And again, the earnings disclaimer is down in the video description. There's no guarantee that you're going to make any money with this, but the way that this company is growing, all right, we have over 1,000 people joining a day now. Eventually, spillover will reach you. Okay. Eventually, your matrix will fill up. And it might take 6 months, it might take a year, it might take 2 years, it might take longer. I don't know. Nobody can guarantee anything. All right, so just know that if you come in here and unranked, it could take a little while to fill up your matrix. All right, now if you refer 2 people, which I highly recommend you do, this could be a spouse, it could be a partner, it could be an adult sibling, it could be another family member, a good friend of yours, anybody who's looking to make money or to become healthier, you can show them this opportunity, all right? And once you refer 2 people, you rank up to bronze level, like I mentioned up above, and it unlocks the 13th level of your matrix. So if you were just to refer 2 people and sit back and not ever do another thing with LiveGood other than pay your $9.95 a month membership, once your matrix fills, you'd be earning $4,095.50 each and every month. Bronze and silver are the same. So when you reach silver in the matrix earnings, you're going to be paid on the 13th level as well. All right, then when you get up to gold and platinum, it opens up the 14th level, and when you hit diamond, you're getting paid on 15 levels of the matrix. Everybody that's under you in the matrix, you're going to earn 25 cents from. All right, that's 2.5% of the $9.95 monthly membership. And believe me, it adds up really quick, okay? But the best part of this compensation plan is the matching bonuses. Okay, and it says, as huge as the Fast Start commissions and matrix bonuses are, our matching bonuses are even bigger. On top of the $2,047.50 or up to $16,383.50 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you enroll and a percentage of everyone those people enroll 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. Okay, so everybody comes in here, you're going to earn 50% on those that you personally enroll. So as you can see down here, if you have 10 personally enrolled people who are each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you will match 50% of what they earn in their matrix. That means you will earn a $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every month for a total of $30,000 in commissions just on those 10 people alone. And that doesn't include what you will earn in your matrix, plus potentially hundreds or thousands of other people you could be matching in our other generations. If you are a platinum, for example, you will also get the gold and silver generation matches. So someone on your second silver generation may also be your first generation gold and your first generation platinum. So you would get a 10% second generation silver match, a 5% first generation gold match, and a 5% first generation platinum match on all that person's entire matrix. There is no limit as to how many people you can match or how much you can earn in matching bonuses. Matrix commissions and matching bonuses are paid out the first week of each month for the previous month's volume starting your second month, as all initial orders are paid out in fast start commissions. So folks, you know what? I'm truly blessed. I have a couple big marketers underneath me who are just blowing it out of the water, and I earn 50% of whatever they bring into their matrix. All right? And my sponsor earns 50% of whatever I bring into my matrix. And, you know, you're going to do the same when you sign up. All right? When you sign up and then you refer people, you're going to earn 50% of whatever those people are bringing into their matrix. So, I mean, this is absolutely huge. Okay? And this is really where people are going to make the most amount of money, is in these matching bonuses over time. Okay? Then we have retail commissions, all right? And like I said, I've done other videos on the comp plan, but you can make money on retail commissions. We have influencer bonuses, and then we have the diamond pool bonus. Now, we only have one diamond member in the company right now, all right? And he received, this past Thursday, we get paid every Thursday, because he was the only diamond member, he received a check for around $30,000. Okay, just from the diamond bonus pool. That wasn't his fast start commissions. It wasn't the matrix pay. It wasn't the matching bonuses. It wasn't the retail commissions. It wasn't the influencer bonuses. It was just the diamond pool bonus. So there are people here that are already making big money with this company. And not only that, the products are awesome. Okay, I've been taking the product since December 28th of this past year. I've been taking them every single day. I have tons of energy. I'm laser focused. I'm getting so much stuff done here. My wife even has to tell me to sit down once in a while because I'm driving her nuts with all the energy I have. So, and then on top of that, I've lost weight, which I'm going to do a weight loss video here shortly. So, I mean, this company literally has it all right? And when I hear things about how it's going to be the next Amazon, or the next Amazon of network marketing, it just blows my mind, the potential that this company has. So, you know, that's it. I mean, if you want to learn more about this business opportunity, there's a link down in the description box. It'll take you over to my LiveGood tour page. It looks like this. All right, we have a 5-minute, 55-second video here that explains everything in great detail. You can reserve your position for free right here by putting in your first name, your last name, and email address. Clicking reserve my position. You can opt out at any time. And yeah, so check this out. I mean, this is not just another health and wellness network marketing company. This is the first ever membership-based network marketing company that is revolutionizing the network marketing industry, okay? This is the fastest growing network marketing company on the planet. We have over 1,000 people joining each and every day. There's over 20,000 paid members now. The CEO and founder is predicting that by the end of this year, we're going to have over 1 million people in this company. All right, and the cool part is that the compensation plan is designed for little marketers like me and you, okay, to have success. All right, I've seen it now. All right, I have one guy in my, I'm just going to show you this, okay? I'm just going to show you this. I have one person in here, all right, on my team who I've known for a long time, who has never made a single penny online, all right? And I'm just going to click on here and show you his stats, all right? I'm just going to keep his username blocked for privacy reasons, all right? Now, this guy's never made a single penny online. He hasn't recruited anybody into the company yet. And as you can see here, he has 24 people in his matrix already, okay? So this past Thursday, he received his first monthly matrix pay, all right? First time he's ever earned money online. Okay, and it's all because of this company. All right, so these people have come in from personal referrals that I referred, and then referrals that they referred. All right, so 24 people he's got in his matrix already, and he's been in this for just about a month. All right, so this program works. Now, the spillover might not come in right away, okay? Just so I just want to make sure that's 100% clear. When you see people advertising that you can make money without referring anybody, it's absolutely 100% true. Just be mindful that it could take 6 months to a year or maybe even longer. I'm focusing on building my team and helping people in my team and just trying to be the best sponsor that I can be for the people that I bring in. All right? So, again, we're all a family here. We're all striving for the same goals. We all want to get healthy and wealthy, and this is the company to do it. So, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as fast as possible. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate everyone on my team right now. We're doing an awesome job. I can't wait to see where we're all going to be in a year's time from now. It's just going to be awesome. So, anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It means a lot to me. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate that. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.